morning, everyone. I'm still Roblox. I'm by myself. Hey guys, I'm getting through this mission. Do I have to attack? No. Do I have to? Oh. No. I'm recording this from my camera. Look at me, guys, and potato house. We're gonna open. Dude.
Entry team, you have failed your mission. Report back to the station for briefing.
What was that? I actually just jump scared me. I like airplanes, but yeah. Murder mystery Conan. Should we guys like play Flight World? Rate it in the comments so I can make a live stream. I think yeah. So yeah, why did I wake up like in 7? It's literally 7 in the morning.